if our hair starts growing, we dye it and we think now we look young. What if I told you, I'll tell you about something that will make you young from inside? All your organs will be of a younger age.
Assalamu alaikum wonderful people, I am Dr. Asma Mahmood, and to know how to stop aging, we must know how we age. Basically, our body is made of trillions of cells, and each cell is hard at work to do its duty to keep us healthy and active. And to keep up with all this work, a sufficient supply of an essential molecule called NAD or nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide must be maintained. In order to enter the cell, the NAD must be converted into NR, nicotinamide riboside. This is also called Niagen. Once inside the cell, the Niagen is again converted into NAD. Cells function best when they have a healthy supply of NAD on hand. When they don't, they struggle to perform even normal functions like creating ATP for energy, or repairing cells, or maintaining healthy mitochondria. Many of our daily activities reduce the supply of NAD, like stress on the immune system, intense exercise, alcohol consumption, too much of sun exposure, or poor diet, or even time zone disruption, or even with age. Many clinical trials have shown that daily supplementation with NR, that is nicotinamide riboside, increases the NAD levels in the body. In other words, the nicotinamide riboside makes the cells young instead of becoming old. So if God forbid you are suffering from any chronic disease, like a disease that has been there for a while, like for example hypertension or diabetes or any heart problems or even autoimmune diseases. Many autoimmune diseases are prevalent nowadays, like MS, Hashimoto's thyroiditis, rheumatoid arthritis. All these are long-term diseases that don't go away very quickly. All these diseases need an extra supply of NAD. And even if you're not sick, if you lead a stressful life, like your in-laws are not very kind, or if your boss is very harsh, or if in case studies you have a career, all of these are stresses which make you old. And you can see, because of the premature graying of hair, because of the wrinkles which appear at very young age, and you lose the softness and the youthful look of your skin. So instead of dyeing your hair to get some color in your hair, or applying lots of creams and foundations to give youthful appearance to your skin, it is a much better strategy to make your body young at the cellular level. And to do this, you need to supplement every day with nicotinamide riboside. This nicotinamide riboside is available in our clinic in the dose of 300 mg. You have to take 1 capsule daily. And believe me, I have used it myself, and you will notice differences in as little as 2 weeks. You will notice a sudden burst in energy levels. Unlike caffeine, nicotinamide riboside is not a stimulant, it is rebuilding energy at the cellular level. Personally, I take 1 capsule daily, and it keeps me very fit and very energetic throughout the day. See, the thing is, we cannot defy death. Everyone is gonna die someday. But the thing is, some people die in a very horrible condition, very unhealthy conditions, and some people, they die in a happy and healthy state. And trust me, lots of research has been done on this, and all the research links can be seen in the description box below. Start it today and let me know in the comment section below how youthful you feel. Take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.